In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Wi-Fi on a Brother printer HLL2395DW. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have this specific model of Brother printer or any other similar one that has a control panel like this, you can follow the instructions in this video to easily set up a Wi-Fi network. To do this, in this control panel, tap the Wi-Fi option. If the printer is powered off, then make sure it is powered on, and if you don't see this screen because it is blacked out, just give it a tap because most likely it is asleep. So now once you tap on Wi-Fi, you will find WPS. So for this method, we need to use WPS. This is by far the easiest way to connect your printer to a Wi-Fi network, because you don't even need to input the password of the network that you want to connect into. So choose WPS, select yes if you are prompted to switch the network interface, and you will get this message. Start WPS on your wireless access router and then press OK. So now on your router, locate the WPS button. If your router doesn't have one of these, then sadly you will need to look into other options. I recommend using the setup wizard instead, but I'm not going to cover it in this video to not make it very long. So it is either going to be a button clearly labeled as WPS, or you will see this icon of two arrows. Either way, find the WPS button on your router and press it down for approximately 3 seconds. Once you do this, you can go back into the printer and press OK. With this done, the connection will begin, so the printer will automatically detect the router with WPS being set up, and they will exchange the network information, so you don't even have to input a password. After this is done, the printer will be connected, you can tap OK, and issue prints wirelessly from any device. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.